Understand that life is cyclical, filled with ups and downs. Just as day turns to night and winter gives way to spring, your own experiences will fluctuate. Display courage and resilience when confronted with challenges. The Norse gods and heroes faced daunting obstacles with unwavering bravery. Acknowledge the importance of your heritage and ancestors. Norse culture places great significance on honoring one's lineage and heritage. Pursue knowledge and wisdom through your life's journey. The pursuit of knowledge is highly regarded in Norse mythology. Develop a deep connection with nature and recognize its power. Norse mythology is rooted in the natural world, with gods and beings representing different aspects of nature. Value and nurture the relationships you form with others. The Norse gods and heroes relied on strong bonds and alliances. Accept that life has a predetermined course and seek to fulfill your destined path. Norse mythology emphasizes the concept of fate and the Norns who weave the threads of destiny. Show kindness and hospitality to others in Norse culture. The act of hosting and providing warmth to guests was considered. Strive for personal growth and achievement while finding contentment in the present moment. Norse mythology highlights the importance of ambition and the pursuit of greatness. Conduct yourself with honor, integrity, and a strong moral compass. Norse mythology places great importance on honor, loyalty, and truthfulness.